Welcome. This short video is aimed at you if you have started your contract and you are looking for some advice and tips to help keep you on top of your finances. In this video we will be covering expenses, salary, dividends, tax and reports. When it comes to expenses, there are two kinds. Those that you would expect a company to pay and those you would expect an employee to pay and then claim back. An example of the first would be a laptop or childcare vouchers. Pay for this from the company business bank account and keep the receipt. Your accountant will see these on your business bank statements, hence you do not need to log them as an expense claim. An example of the second type could be a train ticket. These out-of-pocket expenses should be entered on the claim form. Whether it is a Type 1 or Type 2 expense, we recommend using an app such as Free Agent or Receipt Bank to scan these receipts and bills. HMRC will expect that expenses incurred are wholly and exclusively for business purposes. HMRC also expects you to keep receipts. Again, we recommend using an app for this. Travel expenses are allowed for a 24-month period. Beyond this, HMRC will consider this contract as no longer temporary and won't allow further travel claims. There are several things you can claim that will reduce your corporation tax. For example, working from home, £4 a week, trivial benefits, £300 per annum, staff entertainment, £150 per employee, etc. Check our website Expense FAQs for more information. Starting a pension and paying through your company is an excellent way to save corporation tax. We can introduce you to advisors who can help further. Make sure you refer to the expense plan we did with you when you first started with Accountants for Contractors. That way you won't miss a thing. By now you should have decided on your salary. Your accountant will need to know this. Your accountant can run your payroll and keep copies of your payslips for you. Your P45 is important in ensuring you are paying the right tax. Don't forget to supply a copy to your accountant. We may still need your P45 from your previous job before you started contracting. Dividends are taken from the company profit after tax. Our advice is to take dividends no more than 4 times a year. If you take too much dividend because the profit isn't available, then HMRC will call this a loan. Our advice would be to try and avoid such loans. Our tip would be to ask your accountant to help you calculate the dividends you can take. Now let's talk about tax. Your company will pay corporation tax once a year, usually 9 months after the year end. Your company will also pay your PAYE and national insurance on the salary you take. These payments are once a quarter. VAT will be paid by the company once a quarter if you are VAT registered. Personal tax will also be payable on the dividends you take out from your company. Your accountant can help you with your personal tax forecast. Our tip would be to ask your accountant to calculate all of the above for you and let you know when and how to pay. Please note, we do not have access to your business bank account and therefore cannot make payments on your behalf. Accountants for Contractors also offer a personal tax service to help you with your personal tax return. Let your accountant know if you require this service. We'll be happy to help. We will provide you with management accounts twice a year. These will include tips and advice on how to manage your company corporation tax, and also a guide on how much personal tax you could pay. Here are some of our top tips. Update your expenses monthly. Use an app for this, such as Free Agent or Receipt Bank. You need to raise your invoices regularly even if you use timesheets with your agency. Set up bank feeds so your accountant has up-to-date information to work with. Look out for our updates on Making Tax Digital. It's never been more important to keep on top of your books and avoid nasty fines. For further information, you can read the blogs on our website, which is accountantsforcontractors.com, opt into our monthly newsletter, or visit our website. If you have questions or would like further help with this, please get in touch, either calling us on 0207 614 3104 or visit our website accountantsforcontractors.com. Thank you for listening.